Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please do what to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Okay, subscription is free, just subscribe. All right guys, thank you so much for 300 subscribers. Please help me get to 500 subscribers this month. Okay, please, I know you guys can do it. Let's get to 500 subscribers this month. All right, so guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Nsala soup, white soup. This soup is the most simplest soup ever. I mean, very simple to make. So without wasting much of your time, let's start cooking. Alright, let me show you the ingredients for this soup. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Please subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. Help your girl get to 500 subscribers this month. Alright guys. So guys, the ingredients you'll be needing for your Nsala soup, I'll be using my yam here. This will serve as a thickener. For my protein, I'll be making use of chicken. I'll be using my catfish and my stockfish. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have here my catfish. I have my catfish here and my stockfish. I'll be using this. This is a soup spice. I don't know the name. I'll look for the name. I don't know the name. So I'll be using it. This is it. I'll be using this. I'll be using the Nsala leaf, seasoning cube and salt. I'll be using my crayfish. I'll be using my pepper and my uziza seeds. The black thing you're seeing here is uziza seeds. So guys, let's start cooking. If you have not subscribed to my channel at this point, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. All right, this soup is one of the most simplest soup ever, like delicious and simple, no stress at all. All right guys, let's start cooking. So guys, I'll start by adding my meat to the pot and I'm going with my pepper, crayfish, and my okiri. I'll stir it. So guys, I'll go in with my uziza leaf. The aroma in this kitchen right now, like the aroma in this kitchen now, you guys, it's not something you just want to only imagine it, okay? You don't want to only imagine it. I'm going to stir this, allow it to boil for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes guys, and our soup is ready. So I will leave this to boil for 2 minutes and our soup is ready. So guys, our soup is ready. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like the video, okay? Subscribe if you have not subscribed, alright? And comment. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll come your way next time. Bye.